What's that? Oh my God! Stay away from me! No! Help me!
Whip up a yummy meal with Samyang Noodles, right now!
Okay, I will cook right now. Samyang Noodles! Water! Sauce! The fridge is empty?
Wait for me, Daisy!
Okay.
So frustrating!
Oh no!
Aha! I have an idea! Yay! I win!
Here, your gift.
Thank you! Daisy! Daisy! Daisy, it's for you!
Thank you so much. Water! Tteokbokki! Sauce! Cooking oil! Egg! Wow! So great! So tasty! I really love it! Delicious!
Wow! This is GTA eggs! So amazing!
Oh my God!
Huh?
Wow! They look beautiful! Next! Wow!
Nice.
Ooh, what's this?
PTA cooking game start.
Let's start cooking. Aha! I know what to cook.
Beef. Salt.
Pepper.
Rosemary.
Cooking oil.
Butter.
Honey. Come here. I'm not afraid. Yay! I win. I have an idea.
Scallops.
Wow, it looks so yummy. Just looking at this makes my mouth water.
Scallops, 50% off!
Ah, there's one tray left.
No way! That's mine!
Hey, it's mine.
I got here first!
Go home and cook now, haha.
Next time, wait in line.
Scallops. Green bell pepper. Bell pepper. Onion. Salt. Pepper. Garlic powder.
Paprika.
Baking powder. Flour. Egg. Oil. So many things. I choose mango. Mango. Lemon. Honey! Chili! Mayonnaise! Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow, delicious.
I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it. Oh, Daisy, I miss you so much.
Oh my god! I can't believe I'm seeing you again.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Blah, 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 blah. Wait, who's this Daisy? I'm Daisy's best friend. What? I'm her best friend.
Hey, no more fighting. I love you both.
Huh?
Let me cook something for you.
Hooray!
Okay.
Rice. Water.
Cooking oil. Egg.
Na 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 na.
What's going on? Hey, calm down. I will continue cooking with this eel now. Eel. White sesame.
Wow!
So delicious. Yummy.
Wah, wah, wah.